Hey, it's Rob from Mr. Homeowner. Today, got some Nathan's hot dogs going on the griddle. It's super windy out, so griddle's not as hot as I want it to be. I got to get the side wind blockers. They sell them. Anyway, doing some hot dogs right now. Gonna do some chicken. Also going to do some cheesesteak egg rolls. So this video is going to be a lot of different parts, but just probably not that well put together. But I'm going to move them around a little bit. So right now I have some Mrs. Dash on these hot dogs, which has a little bit of everything in it. So I got it on high right now. And I'm using the lid. But we'll come back. We'll do some chicken and some cheesesteaks and whatever else we could find. But we got some people over. We're just looking to feed. See you in a little bit. Hey, I want to give an update on these dogs. Look at these things. These are awesome. So this is only first course. Getting the chip steak next. Alright, next up we got some cheesesteak. So this is about 2 pounds of cheesesteak. So it's like just chipped beef. Nothing fancy. We're going to throw these into some egg roll wrappers. It's cooking up super quick. Still some red in there, so I'm going to keep moving it around until I see all the red's gone. I still got to cut some of these bigger pieces like this one. But I can't do that one-handed, so I have no filmer today, no cameraman. Got it about over medium heat. Don't want to burn them, just want to cook it up a little bit. Still got some chicken in the fridge I got to cook up. So let me get this finished up and then we'll see you in a little bit. Hey, here's an update. So I got all the meat over here, all the cheesesteak meat. I just threw some more mozzarella cheese on it. So I actually have these, I have the 2 right burners off right now, and these 2 on high. So we got some peppers and onions going. So we're going to mix that into half the cheesesteak meat, so we can have some plain and some peppers and onions. So let's give a close up here. You can smell it. And over at the meat. So, move back in a little bit. So next thing is going to be to mix the peppers and onions in with half of that. I still got to melt that cheese. I'm using the lid for the peppers right now. But pretty soon I'll move these over. Put that over there so that the cheese melts nice. But these were getting too done, and I was in the middle of other stuff. So anyway, we'll finish up these peppers and onions, and then we'll mix it in with that, and then we'll attempt to make some egg rolls with that. We still got chicken coming up, and also I found some tilapia and some shark. So I'm soaking the shark in milk right now, and that'll be done pretty soon here. And I'll be able to throw this on the griddle as well. So I'll see you soon. Bye. Here we go. Now we got peppers and onions mixed in with the cheesesteak. Give you a close up here. You hear it sizzle. So these are pretty much done. Now we're going to take these off and put them in the egg roll wrappers. Wish me luck. Alright, so we had some tilapia left over from a week or so ago. So I'm going to do that too. It's been frozen. So this I have about medium, no I guess lower than medium. I'm turning it to medium now. Medium heat. It's a very delicate fish, so it's going to fall apart if you mess with it too much. So let it put some oil down, and then you can put the fish down. Let it kind of cook up a little bit. Once it gets some white to it, then you want to flip it to the other side. So we'll do that in a minute. Meanwhile, looks like we're making egg rolls over here.
That was a fat one.
Don't worry, you're on video, but I'm not looking at your faces. So here's the process of making an egg roll.
That is messed up.
Well, you know.
Yeah, I can show you.
That's what I do.
Face in there.
So that's my wife, Bobby, making them.
Nope.
Look at that. Some water in a hand bowl from Kelsey.
We're gonna get.
So what she's doing here?
We're gonna get banned.
She's grabbing meat from there. She's dipping in the hand bowl, getting some water.
Don't worry, you guys aren't eating it. We are.
Everybody wash their hands before this.
Moisten the
sure.
edges. Yep. Inner first.
So we're doing inner first.
And then you roll.
Oh wow.
There you go.
I watched on YouTube. You're supposed to do it a different way.
No, you're not. That's why you messed them up.
So you're doing the plain ones first?
Yes, but don't post this.
I am posting it.
No, we're being really gross. But
We're
we're
not.
eating it, so it's fine. Mittens, come out.
We got Mittens, the funny-eyed cat. Mittens! Psst, psst. Oh, no, you can't see her eyes. She's got one. There she is. You saw her for a second. And she looked back down.
Yeah, that was a perfect one.
Oh, and I missed it.
I know you did. I can't keep holding a bowl. Can somebody get me... Rob, hand me that Rubbermaid container.
No, that had fish in it.
Game on.
Oh, I know it didn't. It
was sealed.
It had sealed fish in it, so we can still use it.
Oh yeah, they were. That's.
Oh, you just put that anywhere. So these are all plain ones so far, and then we got the pepper and onions ones.
Which is this one? This is a good
There's
one.
a couple packed on that, Bobby. So
This is a good
I
one.
may just eat a couple of this.
No, I already did. Get off it. That's a cat. No, that's cheese. It's cheese.
So here's what you do. Supposedly you fold in the sides,
Can you get off of that stupid?
and then you roll it kind of loose,
That is.
fast and loose.
That wasn't a good one.
Yeah, that one I can see.
Can you go away? I just want to eat. I don't care what it looks like. It all tastes the same.
And we're gonna try
It
to.
all goes to the same place.
We're gonna try to do it up on the griddle after. We gotta make sure we save the.
This is a mix. We'll put them in that spot.
Yeah, we gotta make sure we keep the plains and the.
I do like
Peppers
that you made more of
separate.
the pepper. You're burning my fish.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Yeah, you
Oh,
are.
we're gonna look at
Smell
it.
it.
All right,
Fish
we'll
takes
look.
2 minutes to cook.
Yeah, these are ready to flip. I didn't want to let them know. Oh, they're looking nice. We don't have any, shoot. We don't have any lemon or anything on there. Do you have any lemon or anything I can put on these guys? Or Mrs. Dash? I can't, I'm not fast enough to cook it. To cut
I
it.
heard Mrs. Dash before, so I'll do this.
All right. Brother-in-law Joe cut up some lemons for us. Gonna go like this. Get the lemon to cook in. We'll leave this going for a little bit. Again, we have it on actually low heat right now. I'm trying to slow it down. Everything's going too quick today. Let's see how the egg rollers are doing. Nope. So look at that. We got tons of them lined up.
Careful, it might take you out.
Yeah, right? So we'll come back when we try to do these on the griddle. Alright, I don't know if you guys are ready for this. So we got these egg rolls. Oh shit, we forgot the shark. I forgot to cook the shark. It's resting in milk right now. Alright, so these guys, let's see how these go. I know we're supposed to probably soak it in oil all around. I'm not sure if this is going to work at all. It's supposed to be way hotter. I gotta turn this guy on. These 5 are plain. You can hear it. All I'm gonna do is kind of roll them around. I guess I'll squirt way more oil on. See how this goes. Oh, look at me. That's for me. Oops, there's that. Alright, so I'm going to leave these be like this a minute. And I'll flip them around. And we'll see how they go. I got them all on high power. Although it's super windy right now, so it's probably half what it's would really be. See what happens if I go like a little oil all over the place. Egg rolls, normally you fry them in oil. So this is going to be a quick move around. Make sure there's, I mean, you can see oil's boiling in there. So I'll just move them around real quick like hot dogs. So we'll see how this works. It may not work out at all, but it's fun. We got friends over. Beautiful day. It's like a Mario Brothers sky. The chicken's crowing. The dog's crowing in the background. So we'll see how these go. All day cook. We'll see in a little bit. Alright, update. So you can see they're golden brown. And you can hear them. So I'm trying to roll them around a little bit. They're super oily though. I'm probably gonna have to dry them off in paper towels before we eat them. Oh, this guy's not. This guy needs to flip over. And these guys too. Ouch. Hot. So we'll just keep flipping them until they're brown all around. See how it goes. Really, the way you're supposed to do it is have like a pot of, or a pan of boiling oil. Put them in there and they'll just deep fry real quick for you. But I didn't want to do that. I wanted to use the griddle. Right, Lap? Alright. We'll check back in a little bit. Again, super windy, so griddle's not really coming up to temp. You can hear this wind guy especially. Alright, this is going to take me a while to put together. I have like 17 videos so far for this one day. We'll see in a bit. Alright, update. So you can see they're golden brown. And you can hear them. So I'm trying to roll them around a little bit. They're super oily though. I'm probably gonna have to dry them off in paper towels before we eat them. Oh, this guy's not. This guy needs to flip over. And these guys too. Ouch. Hot. So we'll just keep flipping them until they're brown all around. See how it goes. Really, the way you're supposed to do it is have like a pot of, or a pan of boiling oil. Put them in there and they'll just deep fry real quick for you. But I didn't want to do that. I wanted to use the griddle. Right, Lap? Alright. We'll check back in a little bit. Again, super windy, so griddle's not really coming up to temp. You can hear this wind guy especially. Alright, this is going to take me a while to put together. I have like 17 videos so far for this one day. We'll see you in a bit.